Hello, I'm Mark Whitehead, founder of Mark Whitehead & Associates, a national disability law firm. Today we're going to talk about how and why we work closely with you and your doctor during the initial application for your short-term and long-term disability insurance benefits. The lack of the right medical support in the initial application is all too common. So working in sync with your doctor can bring about a more supportive attending physician statement. Insurance adjusters often delay or deny LTD applications because the physician has not provided enough information or has provided the wrong information to establish that you can't return to work. Your physician statement needs to connect the dots between your impairments and how those symptoms prevent you from being able to perform your duties of your own occupation. The medical information from your treating doctor should include the details of diagnosis, treatment, level of functional impairment, and return to work expectations. Your doctor is expected to send all medical records and supporting documentation relevant to your impairment. So as the claimant, one of the best things you can do is have regular, ongoing medical treatment. Your claim is strongest when, over time, you've kept regular visits with an appropriate treating doctor. You've talked together about your symptoms, including your accounts of how your impairments affect your ability to function daily. During treatment, your doctor will compile notes and add remarks in your medical file. All these findings are critical, so beginning with the application and throughout the life of your claim, you want to work with your doctor to make sure your clinical records are complete and all symptoms and findings are being reported in your claim. But what are some of the obstacles posed by working with your doctor? One of the problems we help our clients overcome is when a treating doctor is unwilling to participate in the claims process. Many times doctors aren't exactly sure what to expect of them from the perspective of winning disability benefits. Your doctor probably has only a slight understanding of what your job really requires of you physically and mentally on an ongoing basis. For these and other reasons, your physician's assessment of your inability to continue working may not be stated strongly enough to withstand an insurance adjuster's challenge. We help treating physicians answer questions they may be unfamiliar with. Physicians are not accustomed to thinking in occupational terminology, physical demand levels, or vocational expectations. Details about functional capacity can be unclear to doctors who have, until now, dealt only with medications, diagnoses, and treatments. In all these instances, we work with treating doctors to improve their understanding. We make sure they have a clear written description of your actual occupational duties to refer to and explain how policy language plays a role in the claim. Another issue we help clients overcome are allegations of non-compliance with your physician. You should, to the best of your ability, follow your doctor's treatment orders on an ongoing basis. An insurer will spin your refusal of treatment into an allegation that you're not complying with your doctor's advice and therefore will deny benefits. However, you may have real concerns about serious side effects or large medical expenses. If so, you might be justified in your refusal. If you choose not to have recommended surgeries or take medications for fear that they'll cause harmful or lasting side effects, explain your concerns with your physician. Ask if there are other options. Even with your physician's willing support, don't be surprised if the insurance company's medical examiner disagrees with your doctor's findings or judgment. If this results in a claim denial, your doctor may not want to be subjected to the possibility of being tied up in lengthy litigation. We are often able to step in before it gets to that stage and help the physician come to terms with the process. Another denial tactic is for the insurer to send the attending physician statement forms to 2 or 3 doctors involved in your treatment who are unaware of the other's contributions towards your claim. This is a common trap to obtain inconsistent medical opinions. Dr. A may write down that you're totally disabled, or Dr. B checks the box that says you can do sedentary work. All it takes is one misstatement and they'll deny your claim without any further review. We've talked about limited space on the attending physician statement. It's no accident that doctors have little room to fully explain your condition, any secondary conditions, and all your symptoms, and very importantly, your limitations and restrictions. There's insufficient space to spell out your treatment plan or discuss medications and side effects of prescriptions or therapy. You may have one or more medical disorders. It's often a combination of impairments that causes a person to be totally disabled. We want to record all impairments that affect your ability to establish your total functional capacity. We've reviewed thousands of claim denials where lack of medical support was the #1 cause of denial. To beat the deck that's already stacked against you, good communication with your doctor is key. We always ask the doctor to send the complete statements and supporting documentation to back us up. Our attorneys review all medical evidence available that supports your disability application and control consistency throughout your claim. An accurate, fully supported attending physician statement is your first shot at getting this vital medical evidence across. We work alongside you and your doctor in many ways to create productive situations in this most important undertaking. If you have questions, contact us by visiting our website at www.disabilitydenials.com or call 281-914-4940. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.